Have you ever downloaded a video you want to reuse and there is this disgusting, disturbing watermark killing the vibe of this video? And truly, you want to use, especially for those who do skincare. I mean, you want to really use this video and you see somebody has already written a text over it. There is this watermark from TikTok, especially TikTok videos that have those watermarks, and you're worried on how to get rid of it so that you can actually reclaim this video as yours or do some recaptioning on that video. And you start wondering, how am I supposed to do this? Because if you know watermark, you know they like to sit there like a toxic ex in your favorite photo. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove watermarks from any video, whether it's in the corner, in the middle, at the center, or just plain annoying watermarks that are littered everywhere on your video. I'm going to be showing you how to do that. Not just removing the watermarks, but also removing the text, the captions, and everything that is written on it. So you can then go ahead and make some changes on that video and own it.
They say dreams take time.
Welcome to Fashel Creations, where we talk about everything AI tools, how to use AI to grow your business, make money, and build a brand faceless. Now, let's look at what watermarks are. Watermarks are meant to protect ownership. I mean, most of the times we go ahead, we download videos or clips just to reuse for content purposes, or just to make a presentation or do creative edits without that annoying stamp chilling on your video, chilling everywhere and killing the vibes. I'm going to be showing you an ethical way of taking out the stamp, not piracy, mind you. Because every website or AI tool has their watermark, and once you're not on a pro version, normally you can't download their videos without watermark on it. But in today's video, I'm going to show you means I also use to edit my videos and remove the watermarks without stressing. First, let's start simple. I also do this, and I know most of you already know how to do this. I think most people normally do this for their videos. Yes, if that watermark is just chilling around like it paints, then you have to just crop it and take it out. I mean, if it's chilling like at the corner of your video, like in this video I'm showing you right now, then you can just crop it out and take it out. But what if this watermark is in the middle, even at the corners, or at the background, or everywhere around this video, and you need to take it out? How are you supposed to do? Let me show you another method I use, especially if I see the watermark at the bottom. Most AI tools, when you download, you see the watermark at the bottom. What you have to do is just to put your brand logo on it. You can look for your brand logo and just put on it, and it's going to close and cover that watermark, and you're ready to go. That method is method 2. The first method is just to crop it and take it out. The second method is to look for something, might be your brand logo, and put on it. You can still use the name of your brand. You just text it out and put it on it, or you just slap any kind of text on it. It's normal. You can say anything on it and it stays there. Thirdly, you can also use a sticker. You can use any sticker you love and you close it with it. Or you can also use the follow me, click here, comment here, or the text template we normally use when editing. You can go ahead on CapCut, look for one of those text templates, just put at the bottom of the video, wherever the watermark is, you can place it there and it's going to cover up. And if it's not covering up, please zoom it, and it's going to cover up it. You might zoom it to any size that can cover up the watermark for you. Let's go to the more complicated ones. Those ones you really need to work on. I mean, you really need to use your head to work on. Let's get to it. Please, when you're cutting out the videos, make sure you're not cutting out the entire half of the videos. Just always make sure you preview to check framing. Make sure you frame the videos very well so that you don't get to take out important stuff from that video. Next trick I'm going to be sharing with you is, if the watermark is actually in the middle where you cannot crop it, or you cannot even slap a text or sticker on it, this is another method you can go with, blurring the watermark. So you head over to CapCut, you select the video, you overlay the video, and then you select blur filter. You can use the Gaussian blur, something like that. Yes, you use that blur. Then you go ahead, you mask the position so that the blur is applied on the watermark. Go to where the watermark is, you mask that position. Then you go ahead, add the blur on the watermark. That is going to help to cover the watermark or take it out so that it's not going to be visible. Now for watermarks that need more finesse, let me tell you how to play it big. Using AI tool. This one is good because this one doesn't only take out the watermark, it's going to take out the overlay captions, it's going to take out all the text from the video, and you're going to be able to re-edit or reuse it to do whatever you want. Put in your own captions, also change it to any format you want it to be. So this AI tool is going to really help you to take out all those details and leave just the video for you to work with, which is a great option for me, especially because nowadays nobody posts their videos without overlaying text everywhere, and those texts are not what you want to use in your video. You want to change the text but still keep the story the same. So this AI is going to help you take out all watermarks, all text, and leave the video plain for you to rework. Most of these AI tools, which I'll be mentioning in this video, will give you 1 or 2 free trials. After that, you have to pay to be able to take out the watermark. So you can go ahead, try it first. If it works for you, then you can use it. You're going to be working with this video from TikTok. As you can see, there is a TikTok watermark on it. And the first thing, you go to Vmake, which is the AI we are going to be using for this tutorial. Then you upload your video, immediately upload your video on the canvas. You're able to click generate and it's going to generate. The good thing about this AI is that it's not only going to remove the watermark, it's going to remove captions and text on the video, which is great. Guess what, guys? We also have other AIs that can remove watermark. We have Dr. Watermark, we have on Watermark AI, we have AI watermark remover. All these watermark removers can help you remove watermark from your videos. Okay guys, while our video is processing, for people who want to try out this AI watermarks, please try it out and leave it in the comment section and tell me if it worked best for you. As you can see, the video has been cleaned. The watermark has been taken out, the TikTok watermark, and even the captions on the video, whatever text that was on the video, you can see the final results. Why don't you go ahead, save this video if you're tired of watermark drama, and comment watermarks so that I can forward the link to you. But if you want to do countless videos, since you're into content, you'll be doing so many videos, then you have to go ahead and pay for the pro version so that you can be able to use it as you like. Use it for multiple content creation. Now that you know how to remove watermark from your video, please don't go ahead and stress or wrap your video. It reduces the quality of the video. And please don't go ahead reposting copyright stuff without permission. I didn't teach you that. Please make sure any video you're using can be an AI video that you just downloaded or a TikTok video. I'm not saying that you should go ahead and repost copyright content. That's on disclaimer. So please, when you're using it, make sure it's not something that can harm you or something that you can be sued for. I've said my own. Only use these tools for content remixing, not stealing. Thank you all for understanding. Don't put yourself in trouble. So finally, whether you're cropping, blurring, or letting AI save your day, your videos deserve to shine. They deserve to have that good vibe on it. If you learned anything from this video or this video helped you in any way, go ahead and drop a bubble in the comment section so I know this video is really going to help you with your content creation journey. And do not forget, I'm your girl when it comes to content creation, AI tools, and helping you grow and build your business facelessly online. So go ahead, hit the subscribe button for no more nonsense content creation tips that can help you grow, build your business, and help you make money in our today's society, in our today's AI world, because you deserve to know and make money online. And I don't need to remind you that Fashel Creations is where the magic happens, baby. Let's go grab the bag. This is Fashel Creations, and see you in the next one. Bye.